2026 Toyota Camry SE brings sporty styling cues with its black sport mesh front grille, dual chrome exhaust tips, and 18-inch black finished alloy wheels. Brought to you by Desert Toyota. LED headlamps with auto high beams and daytime running lights add both function and flair. Side rocker panels, a rear diffuser, and a sleek spoiler emphasize its dynamic, athletic stance. Every 2026 Camry is now a hybrid, combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors. The SE's system produces about 225 horsepower for front-wheel drive models, or 232 horsepower when equipped with all-wheel drive. A sport-tuned suspension sharpens handling and gives the SE a more engaging, confident feel behind the wheel. With its mid-size proportions, 193.5 inches long and 72.4 inches wide, the Camry offers generous rear seat space for passengers. Rear headroom and legroom comfortably accommodate adults, while the 15.1 cubic foot trunk provides ample cargo capacity for everyday needs or weekend getaways. Inside the SE, you'll find soft-text-trimmed sport seats with bold stitching, aluminum sport pedals, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. The modern, driver-focused layout places key controls within easy reach, while the spacious cabin and supportive seating make long drives more enjoyable. The 2026 Camry SE comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring a pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane centering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert add an extra layer of awareness for safer driving and parking.
Criminal defense.
Standard technology includes an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 5 USB ports, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. The SE also offers an optional 12.3-inch multimedia display, giving the cabin a high-tech and premium feel without stepping up to a higher trim level. Everyday convenience is built in with features like an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, push-button start, and dual-zone automatic climate control. The sport-tuned suspension and intuitive interior layout make the SE both comfortable and easy to live with, ideal for commutes or spirited weekend drives. The 2026 Toyota Camry SE delivers a perfect blend of sporty design, hybrid efficiency, and advanced technology. It's stylish, fuel-efficient, and packed with modern features, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want a sedan that feels as fun as it is functional. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com. Give us a call at 520-585-5413 or visit our showroom today.